Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant. Daily news and updates for 29th June 2023. According to a recent report, the government is considering making e-invoicing mandatory for GST businessmen with an annual turnover above Rs 1.5 crores from next year. E-invoicing is the process of generating and storing invoices in electronic format. Currently, e-invoicing is mandatory for businesses with annual turnover above Rs 10 crore. The proposed move to lower the turnover threshold to Rs 1.5 crore would bring more businesses under the ambit of e-invoicing. The government is yet to make formal announcement on the proposed move. Due date for filing GSTR 3B for the month of May 2023 has been extended for taxpayers whose principal place of business is located in the districts of Kutch, Jamnagar, Morbi, Patan and Banaskantha in the state of Gujarat. The new due date is June 30th, 2023. The extension was announced by the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs in a notification dated June 27th, 2023. Over 1 crore ITRs have been filed till 26 June this year compared to 1 crore ITRs filed till 8 July last year. The 1 crore milestone reached 12 days early this year compared to corresponding period in the preceding year. As per Regulation 26K of the SEBI Infrastructure Investment Trust Regulations 2014, the investment manager is required to submit a quarterly compliance report on governance to the recognized stock exchange within 21 days from the year end of each quarter. The report must be signed either by the compliance officer or the chief executive officer of the investment manager. The SEBI in its circular dated 26 June 2023 has specified the format of the compliance report on governance for infrastructure investment trusts. This circular shall come into force with effect from financial year 23-24 onwards. Accordingly, the first reporting shall be made for the year ending June 30th, 2023. SEBI in its circular dated 26 June 2023 has directed stock exchanges to provide certain basic minimum facilities to the investors at investor service centers or ISCs and upgrade the knowledge of officials working at these centers. In order to reach out to investors across India, SEBI has instructed stock exchanges to use existing ISCs and open additional centers where required. The ISCs can be set up either by one stock exchange or jointly by two or more stock exchanges as per their mutual agreement. The circular shall be effective from 24th September 2023. The Central Board of Direct Taxes has notified that the tolerance limit of 1% for wholesale trading and 3% in all other cases for arm's length price determination during the assessment year 23-24. The same tolerance limit was notified by the board for the assessment year 22-23. SEBI in its recent circular has decided to introduce a process for trading in the secondary market based on blocked funds in an investor's bank account instead of transferring them upfront to the trading member. This aims to safeguard investors' money from misuse and default by the members, thereby providing enhanced protection of cash collateral. As per Regulation 26J of SEBI Infrastructure Investment Trust Regulations 2014, the investment manager is required to submit a secretarial compliance report given by a practicing company secretary to the stock exchanges within 60 days from the end of each financial year. Now, the SEBI has specified the format for the annual secretarial compliance report. Further, the annual secretarial compliance report shall also be made part of the annual report of the infrastructure investment trusts. This circular shall come into force with effect from the financial year 23-24. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.